Here are a few of the measuring and marking tools that I've made over the years. And I still use them all. And actually this one is the mini speed square I use the most. So now I'm going to make another measuring tool, and it is a marking gauge. So to start out, I'll be using some maple and some hardwood dowel. To drill the hole for the dowel, I'm going to use a drill bit that's 31/64. Here I have a 1/2 inch hardwood dowel, and that will fit into this piece here. Now I'm going to be drilling into this dowel, and that is for the pencil, and I'm going to use a 9/32 drill bit. That's the best I could find for to hold the pencil. So it fits in nice and secure, and this piece rotates nice. Now all I need is a shorter pencil. Now I can make the stop block, and I've just marked out this small piece here, and I'll cut it on the bandsaw. Now I don't want to cut my fingers, so I'm using a pair of pump pliers to hold the block. To attach the little block here, I'm going to be using a Allen key screw and a knurled nut. Here my marking gauge is complete, and I've tested it and it works really good. And what I really like about it is this fine micro adjustment feature that it has. All you have to do is rotate the pencil a tiny bit. Anyways, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.